In this video of 1 2 step, I'm going to show you how to log into your NameCheap account. If you also have an account or created an account of NameCheap, and if you're trying to log into it, let me show you how it's done. This is going to be a short and easy tutorial, so let's jump right into the video. Search for namecheap.com on the search bar of your web browser. Once you do, it's going to take you to the official website of NameCheap. To log into this account, click on the sign in option on the top. Once you hover over it, this drop down box, which is a login form, will open up. In the first box, type in the username that you created while signing up. In the second box, also type in the password. If you don't remember your password of your account, click on the forgot password link. And through this section, you can recover your password by typing in your email address, your username, or your domain. Click on reset password and follow the steps to create a new password. Once you type in both of these information, click on sign in and you'll be immediately logged in to your NameCheap account. So that was a short and easy video of logging in to your NameCheap account. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more daily videos that we post. I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.